Welcome back to the channel Motor Authority about a British missile introduced in 2025. It's presented in a documentary-style tone suitable for tech-savvy and defense-oriented audiences. In 2025, the United Kingdom unveiled one of its most advanced defense technologies to date, an air-to-surface missile that could redefine the future of British strike capabilities. Designed with stealth, speed, and adaptability in mind, this new missile doesn't just reflect the evolution of military hardware, it signifies a major leap in British aerospace engineering. Welcome back to Motor Authority, where today we dive deep into the development, features, and strategic potential of Britain's newest missile system. At the heart of this missile's conception lies a singular goal: to provide the Royal Air Force and Royal Navy with a weapon that combines surgical precision with extended range and survivability. It's not just about hitting targets. It's about doing so faster, more discreetly, and with greater assurance than ever before. The design process brought together defense contractors, government research agencies, and private innovation labs across the UK, all contributing to what is now recognised as a benchmark in Western missile development. The missile itself, while officially designated under a classified programme name, is internally referred to within defence circles as the Sceptre. Measuring just over 5 meters in length and weighing close to 900 kilograms, the Sceptre is compact enough to be deployed from a variety of platforms, yet powerful enough to penetrate hardened, deeply buried targets. Its modular warhead system can be tailored for high explosive, bunker-busting, or even EMP payloads depending on mission requirements. What truly separates the Sceptre from its predecessors is its propulsion system. Rather than relying on a traditional solid-fuel booster alone, the missile incorporates a hybrid turbojet-ramjet engine that allows it to cruise at supersonic speeds while maintaining fuel efficiency. This means longer engagement range than up to 700 km in some configurations and less reliance on mid-air refueling or proximity to hostile airspace. Then there's the guidance system. The missile is equipped with a multi-sensor navigation suite, combining inertial guidance, satellite navigation, and terrain contour matching. In its terminal phase, it shifts to autonomous target recognition powered by onboard AI. This means the Sceptre can identify, classify, and prioritize targets on the fly, adjusting its flight path in real time based on enemy movement or countermeasures. It's an intelligent weapon in every sense of the word. But with advanced capability comes the question of stealth. To address this, the Sceptre features radar-absorbing materials and a low infrared signature. Its shape has been optimized using computational fluid dynamics to minimize radar cross-section, making it extremely difficult to intercept even for the most modern air defense systems. During live-fire tests in the Hebrides range, the missile consistently evaded interception attempts by simulated adversary systems, prompting defense analysts to label it nearly invisible in real-world engagements. While most eyes are on its combat applications, there's a deeper layer to the missile's role. Britain's renewed focus on domestic missile development signals a strategic shift, a move toward self-reliance in a time of geopolitical uncertainty. With global supply chains strained and international alliances in flux, the UK is investing heavily in sovereign capabilities, particularly in advanced munitions. The Sceptre is not just a weapon, it's a statement of intent. Of course, no missile exists in a vacuum. Its deployment will integrate tightly with Britain's existing and future strike platforms. The F-35B Lightning II, for example, has already been confirmed as a compatible launch aircraft. So has the upcoming Tempest 6th generation fighter, which will likely serve as the missile's primary aerial host once operational in the early 2030s. There are even discussions underway about naval adaptation, allowing the missile to be fired from vertical launch systems aboard Type 26 and Type 31 frigates. On the export front, interest is growing. NATO allies have already begun inquiries into cooperative production or limited acquisitions, particularly those seeking to modernize their air forces without relying entirely on U.S.-produced weapons. While no deals have been signed yet, insiders suggest that a few key allies, namely Sweden, Australia, and Poland, could be early customers. Licensing arrangements may also be explored to encourage broader interoperability within alliance frameworks. Still, questions remain. What happens when other nations catch up in autonomous targeting? Will counter-AI defenses emerge to neutralize the very edge that makes Scepter so deadly? And how will Britain manage the balance between proliferation and protection of such an advanced weapon system? One thing's for certain: the Scepter isn't just a tool for the battlefield. It's a technological proving ground attesting how the UK's defence sector can innovate at speed, build resilience into its systems, and stay ahead in a rapidly shifting global landscape. From materials science to propulsion engineering, artificial intelligence to strategic doctrine, this missile pulls together decades of research into a single, streamlined delivery platform. As we watch the Scepter roll out into frontline service over the next 18 months, one can't help but be impressed. Not only by its raw capability, but by what it represents to a new era of British defence autonomy, high-tech deterrence, and military innovation on a global scale. This is more than an update to the UK's arsenal. It's a redefinition of how Britain fights and how it defends. Thanks for joining us on Motor Authority. Make sure to subscribe for more in-depth coverage on cutting-edge military technology, aerospace breakthroughs, and everything that moves with power and purpose. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies.